Hi, I'm Miranda with the AIA Beauty Bundle. Today I'm going to show you what's in your December bundle featuring 5 full-size items from Touch & Soul. So stay tuned while I try on the products and get the look. First up, you'll be getting the No PoreBlem Primer. This primer is perfect if you have big pores, fine lines, and uneven texture. This primer provides seamless coverage to smooth skin and leave it flawless and glowing. It's made with green tea extracts and infused with collagen to help skin maintain its moisture. And it works to protect and energize skin for that dewy glow. Feels so smooth and jelly-like. I'm really excited to put this on top of my skin and under my makeup. Next, you'll be getting the No PoreBlem Eye Primer. This will help you create the perfect eye makeup without smudging. It will help create a crease-proof, smudge-proof canvas to prevent oily lids so that your makeup stays in place. It even helps eyeliners and glitter shades adhere better and provide more vivid color payoff for up to 24 hours. And I love that the sponge tip applicator is easy to control. I don't typically use an eye primer, but this feels really buttery and gentle, and I think it'd be perfect to use on my eyes. You'll also be getting the Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. This ultra hydrating, moisturizing cream will give you a smooth texture that melts into the skin. It also gives you that ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. This skin balm is a 3-in-1 product. It's a moisturizer, primer, and glow creator that delivers gorgeous hydration. Right off the bat, it smells really good, kind of sweet and peachy, and it has a very jelly texture. Yeah, and it's not sticky at all. It's actually very, like I said, jelly-like, water-like. And I think it'd be perfect to wear under makeup. It doesn't feel oily at all also. Up next is the Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. Formulated for all skin types, this cream is lightweight, helps tighten, and will keep you moisturized. This formula has hydrolyzed collagen and hyaluronic acid. I love that it helps my face feel plump and gives me that dewy glow. This one's also very cooling, and I keep thinking of jelly when I touch all of these products. So I typically have dry to combination skin, so it's really important for me to use a product that is moisturizing enough, but also isn't too thick and doesn't show through my makeup. Last but not least is the Stretch X Stretch Lash Effect Mascara. For natural looking long lashes, this lengthening mascara is made with yam root for smooth base and flake-free application. It also contains silk proteins to help protect and promote healthy lashes. Apply with just one swipe for all-day luscious length. I'm a big fan of applicators that have that kind of arc. It folds to the shape of your eye, especially with aged eyelids. That's kind of helpful. The mascara is not dry at all. It seems really moist, but it's also not clumping up on the wand at all, and it has little bristles that will help separate each lash. Now I'm going to jump in and try everything, so feel free to follow along. Get this bundle, which is a $124 value for just $38 a month, visit AIBeautyBundle.com to subscribe now.